Gender is a powerful thing in today's world. Depending on whether you're a boy or a girl, you may get paid more, treated differently when you walk into a hardware store, or may be worried to walk down a city street alone at night. Being a girl in today's world comes with many added precautions. Most girls had strict rules growing up, like always stay in a group, don't stay out somewhere after 12 a.m., and text your parents whenever you change locations, etc., etc. Being a young female makes you a target for easy pickings, and I have experienced this firsthand. At my old job, I worked in a customer service booth of a grocery store, and eventually switched between the liquor store as well. One day, this regular customer that I had seen a million times before came into the liquor store and started making inappropriate remarks to my coworker about her body. After seeing this, I realized how much gender can affect someone's treatment. Just because she was a girl, he singled her out and harassed her. After working in an environment where you interact with the majority of the public around you, I have learned a great deal about myself. Because of experiences like this, my views of the world around me have been altered. From a female perspective, I have been taught by experiences such as the one explained above that I need to be careful about where I go and what I do. While I still hold the belief that America is a safe place for all, there are still dangerous people who live in our world. Being a girl has made this very point extremely clear. I am not big and tough like most grown men are, and because of this, I have been somewhat sheltered, therefore directly affecting the biases I hold. If a large man is walking behind me at night for a long time, it's a natural instinct, as a girl, for the thought to run across my mind that he could be possibly dangerous. Seeing my friend and coworker talked to in a demeaning tone by a seedy man has only added to the list of reasons as to why I take extra safety precautions when I feel threatened. Although it would be fantastic if a young girl could work in a public environment without feeling suspect of possible harassment, this simply is not the case. Because of this, my view of the world as a girl is miles apart than that of a man's.